Introducing the DCGG 571 DeWalt cordless 20-volt max grease gun. Ideal for a range of industries including farming, heavy equipment maintenance, manufacturing, automotive and heavy truck repair, and any other mechanical trade requiring frequent grease application. The 20-volt max grease gun delivers power, speed, ease of use, and the guaranteed tough reliability you expect from DeWalt. DeWalt's cordless grease gun pumps up to 5 ounces per minute, allowing users to complete jobs up to 50% faster than manual grease guns. The 10,000 max PSI enables the grease gun to power through dry and clogged grease fittings. And an XR 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery delivers up to 16 14.5 ounce cartridges per charge. A variable speed trigger controls grease output for fast and precise application. The tool's 42-inch hose reaches hard-to-access fittings, and an LED light helps locate fittings in dark areas. A removable, easy-to-clean pump filter screen prevents clogging, while air bleeder and pressure relief valves help reduce excess pressure from blocked fittings and post-refill clogs. The DCGG 571 DeWalt 20-volt max grease gun. The power, speed, and reliability you need to get the job done.